Please welcome His Holiness in a very simple way. And children love you, Dalai Lama ji. Don't you love him? Thank you very much. May I request Mr. Mishra now to offer the khata to Dalai Lama ji. Today, His Holiness will speak to us on universal responsibility and compassion. His Holiness, the Dalai Lama.
Now here, you Indian, particularly the children who come from low caste or poorer section of people, you should develop self-confidence. We are same human being. I think many ancient Indian great scholars, they have sort of family background. Some are very poor, come from poor family. But through their hard work and practice, eventually become top scholars, top sort of spiritual leaders. Like that. So I think, so therefore, the poorer section of people, you should develop self-confidence and will, because of the willpower, like that. That way, eventually, you see this gap, rich and poor, can reduce. Why we need that kind of effort? Same human being, some become millionaire, very rich, same human being, some in daily sort of food, difficult. It is totally wrong, morally wrong, but also practically source of problem. Therefore, now in order to become more equal, education is the key factor. So your organization pay much attention about, you see, they provide facility education to younger generation, particularly the less privileged people. So really wonderful, really wonderful. I really appreciate So I not only just express appreciation, word, empty word. I decided from my sort of trust, Dalai Lama's trust, I want give you some donation. Oh. Okay. I don't know how many sort of money in my trust. I don't know. So I am going to ask, this is the concerns of the people. I think, if possible, next 5 years, annually, 25 lakhs. After 5 years, the Lama become poor. Then I cannot sort of donate you.
You will be very rich in knowledge.
In any way, time always moving. No force can stop time. So past is past. We can only learn what happened, but no way to change. Future not yet come. We can change future. So, the younger generation, I usually describe, generation of 21st century. Now you have the opportunity, you have the responsibility to create this century, better century, peaceful century, compassionate century. That's your responsibility. So my generation, the generation of 20th century, now we will not see, only we sort of share our own experience to young people. The work the young people should carry. So now, all our hope on you, these young children. So, in order to make a significant contribution for a better world, firstly, you need determination, and education, and sense of universal responsibility. That's very important. Thank you.
I know that